It's like the AI knows exactly what we want, sometimes even before we do. AI is becoming a master manipulator, subtly nudging us towards certain choices without us even realizing it. It's not just about convenience, it's about control. It's like having a little voice in our ear, whispering temptations and influencing our decisions. This voice is always there, always suggesting, always guiding. And the scariest part? We might not even be aware it's happening. We're being influenced in ways that are almost invisible, making it hard to resist or even recognize. Section 4. Can AI outsmart free will? So can AI actually outsmart free will? That's the million-dollar question. It's a topic that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and tech enthusiasts alike. The idea that a machine could potentially predict or even influence our decisions is both intriguing and a bit unsettling. On one hand, AI is great at crunching data and predicting our behavior. It can analyze vast amounts of information in seconds, identifying patterns and trends that would take humans years to uncover. It can figure out our preferences, our habits, and even our deepest desires, sometimes better than we can ourselves. From recommending the next song on our playlist to suggesting products we didn't even know we wanted, AI seems almost magical in its accuracy. But here's the thing. AI doesn't have feelings or emotions. It operates purely on logic and data, without any understanding of the human experience. It doesn't understand the why behind our choices, the complex mix of emotions, experiences, and beliefs that make us human. Our decisions are influenced by a myriad of factors that AI simply cannot comprehend. We can choose to ignore those targeted ads, delete that dating app, or even decide to take a break from technology altogether. Sometimes the best way to exercise our free will is to disconnect and reconnect with the world around us. A walk in nature, a moment of reflection, or simply spending time with loved ones can remind us of our humanity. Our free will is still our own, as long as we remember we have a choice. In the end, it's up to us to decide how much influence we allow AI to have over our lives. Section 5. AI everywhere, from Netflix to cars. Okay, let's be real. AI can be pretty awesome too. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, connecting us with loved ones across the globe, and even making our morning commute a little less painful. Self-driving cars, anyone? It's like having a super-powered assistant, making our lives easier and more efficient. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us, humans, to set the rules, make ethical choices, and ensure that AI is used to enhance our lives, not control them.